Welcome to 910 Dawson's Parkway. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front porch, 1-car garage, fenced backyard, and luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as granite countertops inside. It's located in the Dawson's Park subdivision in Lexington, convenient to I-20, downtown Lexington, as well as Lake Murray. We're out front. You can see you have a 2-car wide driveway leading up to the front of the house, a 1-car garage. You have the garage door has carriage-style accents. You also have some nice lighting outside as well as a covered front porch. And then as we step inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout the main level of the home. Stairs going up to the second level there. You have some nice spindles on the stairs as well. You do have some recessed lights in here also, sort of going down the entry hall. Off of that hallway, we have a couple of rooms. So one is the half or guest bathroom. Has a pedestal sink as well as a commode in here. And then right next door, you have a storage closet with shelving. And then over to our right, another storage closet. Basically, this one is more of a coat closet. So you have a hanging rack and a shelf above that takes some space beneath the stairs, but a good amount of floor space as it goes back towards the corner as well. Then you have a nice open floor plan living area. So you have the living area on the right side here with the ceiling fan open to the kitchen and the dining room. You have nice ceiling height and some recessed lighting in here. We'll take you out back quickly just while we're on this side. In the backyard, so you have a small fenced backyard. There's a nice sized patio back here. You do have privacy fencing on all sides back there. And again, the dining room, you have a counter bar, a high counter bar in the kitchen with granite countertops. You have stainless steel appliances as well. There is a side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher. You also do have built-in speakers in here, and there are some Bluetooth controls as well as USB plug-ins over there on the wall also. Then you have the 1-car garage accessing this level also, of course. There's a small or medium-sized SUV parked inside right now, just to give you an idea of scale. But I believe there's sprinkler controls as well as water shut-off, and then your electric breaker box in there. So going back towards the front door, you can kind of a better view of the foyer. And we do have crown molding in the foyer and that entry hall also, just to mention. So now going up the stairs to the second level, everything's carpeted from here on up with the exception of the bathrooms, of course. So right off the landing up here, we have one of our 3 bedrooms. Both of these both the secondary bedrooms face the backyard, I do believe. So this one's a pretty nice size. You have a closet here in the corner. And you saw that window looking out towards the back. Your laundry room is right across the hall, sort of catty corner from that. Full-size washer dryer connections. That LVP flooring continues as well. It's also an attic pull down here. Then you have bedroom number 2, also rear facing, sort of a mirror image of the first one. Closet's on the left in this case. Then our full bathroom that those 2 bedrooms share, off of the hall, granite countertops again, and then a shower and tub enclosure. That's a single vanity in there. And then last but not least, your front facing master suite. So in here, the ceiling fan also, nice big window. See the bathroom on the left. But on this wall, you have a really nice sized walk-in closet. Tons of storage space in there. That shelving continues to behind the door as well. And then a good sized room. And then the master bathroom. And you have double sinks in here window. There's a nice size walk-in shower, as well as private room for the commode and also a linen closet tucked in there as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 910 Dawson Park Way in Lexington. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.